Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how we can find the equation of a tangent line when you are given a function f of x, and the equation that we required is at the x is equals to 1. So we know that a tangent line to any curve, so if you have a curve, tangent line at any point x equals to 1 or any point it could be, is a straight line that touches the graph at only one point. So this is a straight line. So the equation that becomes that we're going to find, it would be the equation of a straight line. And we know that the equation of a straight line is defined by y minus y1 or y0. Some books is mention this as y0. M is the slope of tangent line, and x minus x0, where x0 and y0 is this point. X0, y0 is actually this point from where the tangent line is passing. Okay, so we are given x equals to 1. So what we need is to find out our y. So how do we find out our y? Is by putting x is equals to 1 into this equation. So if we put x is equals to 1 into the equation and then we solve it, so 1 plus 3 is 4, square root of 4 is 2. So the point x0 and y0 is 1, 2. So we have y0 and we have x0. Now we are looking for slope of tangent line. So the slope of tangent line is the derivative of the function at that point, which is x is equals to 1. So what we need is now to find out the derivative of the function. So the function is x squared plus 3. The derivative of this function is, when you have a square root, the simplest form is that you take 1 divided by whatever is inside the square root 2 times 1 over 2 times the square root of x squared plus 3, and then you multiply the derivative of the inside one. So this is the function which is inside the square root. So we can write the derivative of x squared plus 2. You can calculate it separately. That would be the derivative of x squared is 2x and the derivative of 3 is 0. So we can write down 2 over here. This 2 cancels out this one. So the derivative is x divided by square root of x squared plus 3. Now we need to find out the slope of tangent line, which is the derivative of the function at x is equals to 1. That means that in this derivative for x, we write down its value 1. So that gives us 1 divided by square root of 4, which is 1 over 2. So now we have all the values that are required for the equation of a tangent line. So substitute the values. So we have x0, y0, which is 1, 2. We have slope of tangent line, which is 1 over 2, and the formula is y minus y0 m tangent x minus x0. So we put y minus 2, 1 over 2 x minus 1. Simplify it. You can leave it like this, or you can simplify it. Multiply by 2 on both sides. So we are left with 2 cancels out this one. The 2 is multiplied with the y, the 2 is multiplied with the 2. 1 is multiplied with the x, and 1 is multiplied with the 1. You can now leave 2y here or add 4 on both sides. So your x minus 1 plus 4. If you add 4 here, this 4 is cancelled out, right? So we are left with 2y is equals to x plus 3. If you are asked to find out the value of y, just divide both sides on 2, we are left with this one. So similarly, you can find out the slope of the equation of tangent line for this function. You just need to find out the derivative of this function and replace x by -1 in the derivative, and for the point x0, y0, just put x is equal to -1 in this function for x, so you would find out that point. So if there is anything that you cannot solve, then you can ask in the comments. Thank you very much.